In this video, I will show you how to blend these three beautiful colors to achieve an even more beautiful color. Now, to what I did off camera, I cut it into cutting 3 and I decided to feather these extensions one after the other. Like I feathered the extensions separately, the ash color separate, the pink or peach color separate, and the other one separate. Then I joined them together and started blending them together. So just watch this video, and every other thing is self-explanatory. Let me also add that it's easier for you to blend them when you've combed them separately after feathering this extension. So after feathering them separately, I comb them before I start feathering, because if you don't comb them first, you might be having difficulty separating them. This is the beautiful color we arrived at. Guys, I want to hear your thoughts about this color combination. We'll be trying this out. Please put your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video, share to your friends and family, and I will be updating the hairstyle I did with this. So this is the hair I made with this. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.